Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to allocate attributes in Expedition 33. It's only possible to allocate attributes when you interact with these expedition flags along your playthrough. When interacting with the flag, you'll find the option to increase your character's attributes. 3 attribute points are earned every time a character levels up, and they can be distributed freely among several stats depending on your playstyle, or on what weapons your character currently scales with. Vitality increases your maximum health and overall survivability, making it ideal for frontline characters. Might improves physical damage output, while agility affects turn order. Basically, it allows your characters to play more often. Luck enhances the chance to do critical hits, which is especially important for ability-focused builds. Defense for giving your characters better chances to take more hits. Once you confirm your allocation, the changes apply immediately. If you unlock respec options later in the game, you'll be able to adjust your stats with better weapon scaling in the game. So experimenting early on is encouraged to find your playstyle. And this is how to allocate attributes in Expedition 33.